In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a minimal landing page in card.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused page that highlights your message and makes it easy for visitors to take action. First, pick a template, log into Card, click the plus icon for New Site, and open the Template section. Choose the landing page category to see designs built to convert. Look for a minimal template, something with plenty of white space, simple typography, and a clear call to action area. Before you commit, use the preview to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile. Minimal design is all about clarity, so prioritize templates that make your headline and button immediately visible without clutter or extra sections you don't need. Next, customize the content. Replace the default headline with a short, strong statement that communicates value at a glance. Keep it specific and benefit focused. Underneath, use the subheading to add one concise line that provides context or supports the promise of your headline. Then edit the call to action button. Use active, clear language like get started or download now, and set the button link to wherever you want visitors to go, whether that's a sign up form, a calendar link, or a product page. If your chosen template includes an image or icon, decide whether it truly supports your message. If it doesn't, remove it to keep the page minimal and fast. Always scan your copy for clarity and brevity. Your goal is to reduce friction so visitors know exactly what to do. Now fine-tune the style and layout. Open the design controls to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. Choose one neutral background, one primary text color, and a single accent color for the button and links. This keeps the page cohesive and avoids visual noise. Pick simple, legible fonts and limit the number of sizes and weights to create a clear hierarchy. Adjust padding and margins so elements breathe without feeling scattered. Align content consistently and make sure the call to action sits prominently above the fold. Use the mobile preview to confirm text remains readable, buttons are easy to tap, and nothing spills off the screen. Minimal layouts succeed when every element earns its place. Finally, publish. Click publish, choose a card URL you're happy to share, and add a descriptive page title and short description so the link looks good when shared. Confirm your settings, then publish and test the live link. If something feels off, return to the editor, refine and republish. Iteration is part of the process. And that's your minimal landing page in Card, ready to convert with clarity